Throughout my website, I have 5 different pages. The home page, the About This Site page, which is when I go into detail about what my theme I have chosen for this course is and how the theme I have chosen relates to my website, and I also have a video of an example from my theme. Then I have an About Me section that explains why I chose the theme I did and my major and just some background knowledge of me, and it also includes my resume that you can click as well. On the 4th page, I have my Earned Badges page from the EDCI tools that I think would be useful for other people to see to prove my education I have within technology. On the last page, I'm supposed to have goals and there's no goals here.
You have to record yourself again?
Yeah.
I think.
Throughout my website, I have 4 different pages. The first page is a home page. The second page is a page where I talk about the theme I have chosen for this course, as well as an explanation of why I chose it, and some helpful videos that I thought would be useful for the user to see. On the 3rd page, I have an About Me section, where I explain a little bit about me and why I chose the theme that I did and how it connects with the major I am currently in. I also included my resume as well that could be looked at. On the 4th page, I have badges that I have earned throughout this EDCI course. The badges show my education in technology that I think would be very useful for the future.